Elections pass aa rahe hain and we know that it will be the first time for many aspirants to vote. So today we talk about voting rights in India. Hello everyone, my name is Kripa and you are watching Flamesclat. The Indian Constitution has granted the right to vote to all the Indian citizens of sound mind above the age of 18, irrespective of an individual's caste, religion, social or economical status. The right to vote is guaranteed under Article 326 of the Indian Constitution. You must be a citizen of India to get your voting rights. But have you ever wondered the criteria by which you can be called as an Indian citizen? So according to Citizenship Act 1955, there are 5 primary methods of acquiring citizenship in India. First is citizenship by birth. Any person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 but before 1st July 1987 is considered an Indian citizen by birth, irrespective of the nationality of their parents. A person born in India on or after 1st July 1987 is considered as an Indian citizen by birth if either of their parents is a citizen of India at the time of their birth. A person found abandoned in India and their parentage is not known, they are considered Indian citizen by birth. Second is citizenship by naturalization. It is governed by the Citizenship Act 1955, which outlines the procedures and requirements for foreigners to become Indian citizens. Third is citizenship by incorporation of territory. In this concept, individuals who were born in a territory that subsequently becomes a part of India or who have been residing in that territory for a specified period of time may be eligible for Indian citizenship by incorporation of territory. Fourth is citizenship by registration. Some mandatory rules for this are: a person of Indian origin who have been a resident of India for 7 years before applying for registration, a person of Indian origin who is a resident of any country outside undivided India, a person who is married to an Indian citizen and is ordinarily resident of 7 years before applying for registration, minor children of persons who are citizens of India. So now it's your task to find the 5th criteria that a person may fulfill to be called as the citizen of India. To write the answer in the comment, follow Flamesclat for more and stay tuned for further updates.